Okay, so hello everyone. My name is Tanishk and I hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to explain you how this batch processing works and how you can analyze complete college result within minutes. So first of all, you click on this batch processing, select an Excel sheet and I'll show you the format, what format the data should be present in. There in a section like department wise or else section wise, you can arrange it in any order which you want. On top of this, USN should be written followed by n number of students, and we should select this Excel sheet as the input for our software. We'll simply copy the result link and paste it over here. You can start on download, and I have also kept one timer here in order to show how much time it takes for downloading all the content. And one more thing is, as you can see, there is no data present over here. Software will automatically identify and fill this content for us. And the option is given to the user to either fill it manually or else once the software automatically fills this, user can simply go and edit whenever he wants. Okay, so now system will ask whether you want to fill the credit as one by default or else what to do. So as you might have seen, there is no data present as such over here. Okay, this complete section is empty. What will happen now? The system will automatically fill this default as one, or else if you wish, you can manually enter it whatever you want, but it's better to manually enter it. But I'll go and fill it as one. If you can see that here one credit has been entered. If there are two or more than two subjects, it is often recommended that you use this operator in order to tell that okay, these are the two subjects which you should consider. Example, here we have this subject. We should tell the SRAC software that please consider these two subject as one only. So once all these details are filled, then you can click on continue process. It will start processing all the data, and once it is processed, you will be able to see all the content. So this feature is GPU exclusive and only available for pro version of this software. Thank you and have a nice day.